Good morning, good morning, Teacher Sabrina, Sister Carolina. My name is Felicia. Now I will present my project about the the, the family favorite fruit. My father likes banana. My mother likes mango. My brother likes orange. And me favorite and great and great. Thank you for your attention, Sister Carolina.